This video will be diving into the world of seasonal printable. The goal of today's video is to show you how to create seasonal printable products and why you should consider adding them to your product inventory. So we'll be looking at the definition for printable products. We will be learning what makes a printable a seasonal printable. Then we'll talk about some popular holidays and times that you could choose to focus on. And finally, we'll conclude with the advantages of creating seasonal printables. First of all, what are printable products? Printable products are essentially anything that can be sold and printed on a typical home printer. So these are digital files that customers are able to download from a marketplace or a website and print the file as many times as they want. Some common examples you might be familiar with would be like educational printables, so bulletin board type of things or worksheets, party decor, banners, invitation, printable artwork. Those are all common examples of printable products. So what makes something a seasonal printable? So it is still a printable. It's something that someone could print on their home printer or send off to a print shop to get created. But these are printables specifically for special seasons and holidays. So this is something like this Thanksgiving printable example you see right there. They're essentially a great way to add to your product inventory because customers who like to buy one seasonal printable are probably going to come back and buy additional products for the next season or holiday. Here's a few examples of printable seasonal products that I wanted to share just to give you an idea of how wide this niche can be. So here we've got a bulletin board and door decor for like a classroom. And this one obviously is seasonal because it's for Easter. They've got Learning with My Peeps. It comes with 30 pages of spring-related educational printables. So bulletin board letters. The little peeps are editable. You can change their colors and things. Print and go posters. This is all on Teachers Pay Teacher. Here's another example. This one is on Creative Market. It's a printable Halloween party bundle. So it's got thank you tags, decor items. It even has some cute little Halloween cupcake topper. This is another great example of a seasonal printable product. Obviously, there are holidays and seasons all year round. So seasonal printables can become a reliable and accessible business model. Things to consider are ensuring that you have maybe something from all the different seasons, that you're hitting all of the big holidays, Christmas, Thanksgiving, Halloween. You can consider seasonal activities or personal milestones, weddings, graduations. As long as you have a variety of seasonal and holiday printables in your shop, even if, for example, it's June and perhaps you're not selling a lot of Christmas cards, you've got some cool like swimming party printables that people could choose to buy. So as long as you have a variety of different seasons and holidays, no matter what time of year it is, there'll be something that your customers can find in your shop. So here's another great example of a seasonal printable. So this is a holiday escape room activity pack on Teachers Pay Teachers. This product actually sells for $8. It contains 47 printable pages focused on all different types of holidays. Here's a spring cleaning checklist. So this one is actually from Etsy. There is a pre-filled checklist of spring cleaning type things, but there's also an editable list for those who like to create their own line items. So why should you sell seasonal printables? First of all, there's tons of time to prepare. You know what day of the year Christmas is going to be. You know when spring starts. So you're able to sort of block out on your calendar to prepare these products before the season or holidays so that you've made them in advance and they're listed in your shop ready for buyers. If you know your audience, this is a really great way that you can target them with products that you know that they'll want. So if your audience, for example, it's a lot of maybe mothers, you can make sure that you're including lots of seasonal games and activities that they could do with their children. Or you are making travel checklists or camping bundles or spring cleaning. These are also really easy to market. So using keywords in your product descriptions and product names, your cleaning checklist can stand out from all the other cleaning checklists because it's a spring cleaning checklist. Your birthday party invitations can stand out from all the other birthday party invitations because yours are swimming party invitations. Hopefully this got you thinking about how you could add some seasonal printables to your shop. I've got a great product called Succeed with Seasonal Printables that will walk you through even more tips and tricks to create these products quickly and get them listed. It reveals the top selling seasonal printables and low content niches all year long. It's been specially designed to teach you how to make regular sales. It's got tons of knowledge, tips, tricks, and templates. There are no special skills or experience required. It's perfect for people who want to make money all year long, creators of all skill sets or knowledge, whether you are beginner or advanced, you've got a booming shop, or you're just starting out. And it's perfect for people who are looking to spend minimal time on content creation. You can check out this product at my website, Succeed, and it is Succeed with Seasonal Printable.